You don't have
How's he going to get himself back up? He can't push himself back up because A, he doesn't have triceps, B, he doesn't have pecs, C, he doesn't have trunk extensors. So come on back up, big guy. I don't know about you, but that's kind of a big old trunk. He's got to push himself back up. So he's going to need to throw this arm back with that that posterior delt. Ooh, my brain. Okay?
It's anterior to you.
It is. You know what? It is anterior to me. Okay? And he can lean himself all the way. He can go all the way to the side and get pressure release over here. He can keep that arm back and go all the way forward. All the way forward. Okay? He can hook here and pull himself back that way. Okay? So he can, by throwing that arm back, he can go to the side. He can bring this arm over this way, go all the way this way to relieve that side. He can go all the way forward, use that wrist extensor in those elbow flexors.
Also remember, this is a lateral rotation too. Component added to here. Then come back. So he's using all those.
Silly putty today. Okay, and then flip onto the other side. The ways that he can get pressure relief. All right, so now we're C7 and we have triceps. What can we do?
Chair push-ups.
We can do this and chair push-ups. T1 or C8. All of the above.
T1 has some chest too, right?
T1 has some pecs.
Okay, yep.
Unweight. How are you going to get yourself back up? So you need to unweight by, because you're going to have to pull yourself back up.
That's if you have just C6.
C6 or T1. It doesn't matter. You don't have your back extensions to pull yourself back up.
Okay.
All right? So if you're going to go, even if you're going to go this way, you're going to have to pull yourself up and push yourself up. Because this is a big old trunk to pull myself up. I don't know about you.
Are you slinging your arm back? Well, I guess you're just bringing it back. So you have the control to bring your arm back.
If I'm C6, I've got my delts to pull my arm. If I'm C7, I have my triceps.
And then hook.
Do you want the other rope?
Right? Because I want to unweight this way, but I need to pull myself back. And I can push myself back here too.
Can you do, come back down, so you fell over, and bring this arm back over. Okay, so then now. Oh, so he can't.
He doesn't have his pecs.
So if he's doing
All
that,
he has is his anterior delt.
I'd be doing a push-up.
He doesn't have his
oh,
pecs.
okay. So then he can still use his arm. So push.
All he has is his anterior delt.
But if he's C7,
Right.
Aren't you ready to be
But yeah, that's a whole
inferior
lot to push
T1?
himself up with just the triceps.
That's a lot.
Think about it.
strength is triceps.
So you're talking about just him being at this level. He can still unweight and then throw that arm back.
Right, so we're working on trying to unweight. You want to have that hook onto somebody so that you can lean himself over, get some weight off of this area. This is what's going to bring him back because he doesn't have pecs.
Like a 20-minute video.
Got it.
See what I'm saying?
I'm thinking like if you just like fell over.
C6 sliding board transfer. Go ahead.
With the arm rest in, you're actually.
So at this point, once he gets me as far forward as he can, I'm gonna try and push using my delt towards. You ready? Try to push as much as I can. Once I have space, try to drop my hands. Once I'm here, he's gonna lean me forward as much as he can, and then I'm gonna almost push away. So I'm coming forward and I'm pushing away. Forward, push away.
So that he's really using that anterior delt.
If I don't come forward and I push away, I'm kind of just like pushing
Up.
down. That's more triceps.
Okay.
By yourself?
Okay, Luis is
The same thing in the
take two. Go ahead.
Sliding board transfer with a C6 spinal cord injury.
Got it.
Alright, okay. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lean over this way for me, okay? Alright, as much as you can. Good. My hand underneath right here. Okay. You get a push. These delts will go right there, correct?
Okay, never sit up underneath because it's gonna be stiff.
Nate, come on up here so you can see what this is.
No, he doesn't have
Alright,
to.
we're gonna try to
You know,
shift
this
you over
is,
too, okay?
this inside, it's gonna crush it.
Okay, you push. Arms
I'm
back.
gonna say about leaning forward and then pushing away with my hand.
Lean forward, pushing away with your hand.
I would just do this. That way you
So with this right here,
Pull yourself out.
bring this leg cross.
Hey, all right.
Chris, I don't have everybody to finish.
Try sliding this one out.
Don't take available, go get a peanut.
You're not done yet, Chris. You gotta get.
Hey, can you, Matt? Can you say what you're gonna do?
I'm going to be doing a pivot transfer.
Sliding board
Sliding
transfer.
board transfer.
With a
Okay.
C6 spinal cord injury.
C6 spinal cord injury.
Got it.
All right, so we're going to do that again.